Hi, today we are going to explore one of the most popular programming languages in the world, Java. Whether you're new to coding or just curious, this video is for you. Let's dive in. So what exactly is Java? Java is high-level, object-oriented programming language that's been around for over 2 decades. It's used to build a wide variety of applications from mobile apps to big data systems. But why it has remained so popular? One of the main reasons is Java platform independence. This means you can write your code once and it will run anywhere, thanks to JVM, Java Virtual Machine. The JVM acts as a middle layer between your code and the hardware, ensuring your application runs smoothly on any device, whether it's Windows PC, a Mac, or even a Linux server. Java is also known for being robust, secure, and efficient. It's object-oriented, which helps in organizing and managing complex software projects. Now let's take a look at some common uses of Java. First up, game development. Many popular games, including mobile and computer games, are built using Java. It's powerful enough to handle the advanced technologies using a modern game like machine learning and virtual reality. Next, we have cloud computing. Java's write once, run anywhere capability makes it ideal for decentralized cloud-based applications. Cloud providers love Java because it can run on a variety of platforms. Java is also a big player in big data. It's used for data processing engines that can manage complex data sets and handle massive amounts of real-time data. When it comes to artificial intelligence, Java is powerhouse. It offers a wide range of machine learning libraries and is used in developing applications like natural language processing and deep learning. Before we wrap up, here's some quick tips. If you're just starting with Java, begin with simple programs like Hello World and gradually move to more complex projects. Second, practice regular. Consistency is key. Write code every day to build your skills. Join communities, of course. Engage with other learners and experienced developers on forums like Stack Overflow or Reddit. This can provide support and insights. Utilize resources. There are countless free resources online. Websites like Code Academy, Coursera, and even YouTube offer excellent tutorials. Build projects. Apply what you learn by building real projects. This could be anything from a simple calculator to a small game. Just remember, learning to code is a journey. Don't rush it. Enjoy the process and you'll find that your skills will grow over time.